Yes, everybody, we and the students who are here, we decided to save this video for the people who cannot join us, so they can watch and learn it again, or learn what we did in here. So we are talking about different base numbers. So in this kind of numbers, we will have numbers inside the parentheses and the base out of parentheses on the right side and lower part. This one shows the base. X is the base right now. So the numbers which you are going to write inside the parentheses, all of them should be smaller than the base. All of them should be smaller than x. And when you expand this different base, we need to decide the powers, the yellow ones. So we will multiply the first one by power 0, second one power 1, third power 2. If there are more, it goes like that, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's expand this number. We will make it a times x power 2 plus b times x power 1 and plus c times x power 0. We already made it before we started. So then let's continue with some examples from the book. Let's go to the book and find some examples which are well for us. I cannot see it. Yeah. It will appear in the video. Oh, I made a very big mistake. What? No, I won't try to cut it because my other laptop is not working. So this one is really slow. So I will not cut this video. I will put it directly. Because YouTube doesn't want me to pay for the length of the video, and it can be really long. Huh? They don't want me to pay for that, so I can make it longer if I don't use the bad words. Or, I mean, not bad word perhaps, if I don't do a big mistake about English. Yes, everything will appear one by one. Very nice. I mean, the people who watch this video, they can feel like they are in here in this class, perhaps. Now, firstly, I couldn't find any number, anything from here. So let's do it like this. Another black one I want. Yes, very good. Now, first kind of examples, expand the followings. Expand the followings. For example, let's say we have a number 2, 4, 5 in the base 7. In the base 7. Let's expand this number. Let's see what is this number in our number system. Yes. She is trying. Number 3 is trying. Student number 3. Then number 2 is trying. Let's not use their names. Yes. Calculate it. What is this number? Calculate it. Very good. Now calculate powers and multiply them. Find what is this number in the base 10. What is this number in the base 10? Calculate. 2 times, what is 7 squared? 49. 7 squared means 7 times 7. 7 squared means 7 times 7. Yes, student number 2 is finished, but we don't want student number 3 to see this answer. Is it same? Same? Hadi. Let's start with first one. First one, go to board, do it. Number one, go to board and do it. Now number one is solving. Number one knows himself right now. Oh, I gave number one how do you say gender or male or female. Everybody knows that the person who writes to the board it's a male. It is a male or I do a lot of mistakes, yeah. 249? 249? Make it visible 2 times 49. It's not 249. It is 2 times 49 for the people who cannot read his handwriting. And the second one is 4 times 7. The third one is 5 times 1. If you can't read his handwriting, you can understand it from here. 2 times 49 makes 98. Plus 4 times 7 makes 28, then plus 5 times 1 is 5. If you add all of these numbers, you will get the result 131. Thank you. Thank you. Let's talk about English. Okay. Let's do one more. I think everybody knows this part. Let's do one more. Another. Let's make it black. I love working with black. Thanks to Khan Academy about teaching that to us. Huh? Thanks to them. Or thanks to that person. What are you talking? They are talking about something else. They don't want to be in the video. What? Yes, they will watch. Bad words. About bad word. I wanted to mean some words which are not clear about English. About pronunciation. It may not be well. So, because I'm not so prepared right now for this lesson. So I may use some words or some sentences which are not really good about grammar, about explanation, about pronunciation. They may be bad about English. So let's write another one and finish this one. 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, base 3. In base 3, we can use numbers smaller than 3. Thank you for telling this once again. So I explained in this video what I meant with bad word. Let's not keep it there. For the next person, let's change the color. Student number 2. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And the people who watch this video from YouTube, they cannot understand who you are, who you were, but your friends will understand, because we will put who is absent or who was here to my side. Oh, I forgot to put it. Ooh. Let's make. I didn't put it here. I should have done it before. Anyway, let's do it. It is. please do it for us. Visit our site. Evet, number 2 wants to solve it on the board. Go to the board one number 2. Now number 2 will solve this one. Let's change the color once again. Number 2 needs notebook. I will not tell that male or female. No. But where can I give this link? In my site, in which part can I give this link? Not in 8th grade part. In which part may I or can I give this link? Oh, if you don't write it, in black part, the rest will not be seen in the video. Let's keep it in black part. Everything should be in black part. One minute. Everything should be in black part. Okay. We must write everything. Write it smaller, a bit smaller. 3 power 1 plus 1 times 3 power 0. Keep it in black part. Yes. Now it will be seen. It will be seen. Do we use like that? Huh? When they watch, they will see. Can we use it like that? Number 1, it will be seen in the video. I mean, the third form of the word, huh? The third form of the verb. It will be seen when they watch. Yes. So always say? I mean.
I have seen, I saw.
Anyway.
But we cannot use see for past.
So number 2 made sign over there. Number 2 made a sign over there. Do you want to copy it? You don't have to copy everything because you can see it in YouTube also, inshallah, if we put it there. Oh, the thing which I want to do right now. Oops. Oh, it took all of it. How can I make it? Perhaps in the next one I can write it with keyboard. Let's try to pause the video. Yes, I think it continues. Very good. Now I made everything in black. Now we can continue with this prepared one, and you will see visit my site in all pages. It is already prepared, and I have a squared part in here, so we can write well. A squared. Do you see the squares? Yes. Okay. Now, what was the form of example? Right. We need to write a number here. Number 3. Give us a number with your. Show us a number with this. Okay. First one. Another. Give us another number. Okay. This. Number 1. You give us another number. Oh. Okay. Now number 3, give us a base to write it. Make it a bigger base because this number is very big. Which base do you want? Number 3 we want. Oh, okay. I should have put here in the base. You see, I did a bad thing. I didn't put the over there. In the base 9. Now write 648 in the base 9. You see, I did a bad thing because I am not prepared. I used a bad word because I didn't put that additional thing over there. In one of the video which I have made subtitle, I have mistakes in one solution. I confused plus minus. What?
What a number.
What a big number, huh? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it is divisible by 9. It shouldn't be a perfect. It impossible. It's impossible, yeah. Oh, you see, when you are not so prepared, it goes bad. I mean, the people must understand the idea. If there are same kind of numbers in remaining part, they cannot understand who goes to first, who goes to second, pardon, which goes to first, which goes to second, which goes to third part. They cannot see the idea. Yes, this is the result. How can you write it? But
2 times 9 minus 18.
yes, she didn't complete the calculation. Now number 3, we'll solve it on the board for us. Yes, like this. You can take that notebook also. Yes, very good. You can take your notebook also. After this, let's stop the video. Let's make a second video. Is it okay? Because yes, good, very good. Everybody solved this question, yeah. Everybody understood the idea. So now about the idea, there is no problem, huh? About these two kind of examples, there is no problem. So if the video is so long, it is hard to record, it is hard to copy it. So let's stop the video in here. Let's make a break for 5 or a bit. And so we can make a second video, huh? Okay. Now the last number which we found is 8. Let's show them. Okay, thank you for solving. Let's show it with arrows or something else. So the last number which we reach is 8. So 8 goes to the first place. Then we come back. So before 8, what is the remainder? 0. 0 goes to second place. We can make it with colors. The numbers are same, but now before 0, what is the previous remaining number? Previous remainder, it's again 0. So we write from last to first the remainders. Okay? Let's stop the video in here. Thank you for listening.